He rolls out at dawn with a coffee and a grin. Peter's chrome and thunder, diesel running in his skin. From Houston to Cleveland on the long black ribbon line, every town's a story, every mile a sign. Rolling, rolling down the highway, brother, watch him go. CB crackling stories of the places only truckers know. Roadside lights and diner signs, fuel and coffee steam. He's the king of the truck drivers, and the highway is his dream. Dark smoke from the stack, and the rig's a rolling beast. He eats at midnight diners, gives a nod to every feast. A hero on the highway with a heart that's made of gold. A teddy bear at home when the long day's done and cold. Rolling, rolling down the highway, brother, watch him go. CB crackling stories of the places only truckers know. Roadside lights and diner signs, fuel and coffee steam. He's the king of the truck drivers, and the highway is his dream. He hums old lullabies while the world goes rolling by. Two hands on the wheel and a twinkle in his eye. San Francisco skyline, New York's hungry lights, every load a promise, every stop a night. He's rough and he's raw, he's built like iron and wood, but he folds at the door when he sees the way she stood. Rolling, rolling down the highway, brother, watch him go. CB crackling stories of the places only truckers know. Roadside lights and diner signs, fuel and coffee steam. He's the king of the truck drivers, and the highway is his dream. Roll